Hey guys, I'm Jojo Wheelie and I like to keep the adventures going. I'm here yet again to shoot a new vlog, but we have a new partner. We have the all-new Vivo X90 Pro and let's see what magic can we create with this. I like to shoot the moments that are worth a capture with clarity. Let's see how can this phone help me to do that. There are adventures that keep us in motion without having a second thought, and I like to freeze them.
Purchase your tracks today.
Very few smartphones can achieve zero shutter lag, like the Pro Sports mode in Vivo X90 Pro. Whenever I go extreme, I try to do unique things, just as the Zeiss Cine Flare portrait does. Almost cinema-like flares. I make my life full of colors and radiance, so does Vivo X90 Pro. Let's test out Zeiss natural color mode. Wow, isn't it something unique? Throughout my happening life, I finally have a companion. Do you? Vivo X90 Pro bring you the thrill and live the extreme. Check out this phone in the nearby stores and I'm sure you will experience something unreal moments.
MTX.